Oh, you want to flip this video? Please no, don't flip it. Welcome back once again to my channel. In this lesson, we are going to learn some top secret. I'm going to reveal some top secret to you once again on this one and only educative channel on YouTube. So please, before we move to that, if this is your first time visiting this channel on YouTube, then kindly hit on the subscribe button, turn on the notification button for all, so that whenever we upload a new video, you will get the notification and you'll be able to have access to it. Don't also forget to drop your comment in the comment section of this video, and don't forget to like this video and share with your family members and friends. If you need more video from this channel, please kindly check the description of this video and you get more interesting videos, more amazing and more educative videos on this channel. Alright, but before we move to that one, let's look at something here. Alright, welcome back guys. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how you can view deleted WhatsApp messages. I'm going to take you through the steps you need to pass through so that you can view all deleted WhatsApp messages from group chats or individual chats. Now let's look at something here. Formally, you cannot delete WhatsApp messages from people or from individual chats. You cannot delete from group chats too as well. But some time ago, WhatsApp came out with a new feature that can enable you to delete WhatsApp messages from groups and from individual chats. You can do this to protect your privacy. So that is a big challenge that most people are facing. Sometimes a friend will just send you a WhatsApp message and delete it immediately. Some of them, they are very important information that you need to have access to. And many people are thinking of how to solve that problem or how to overcome that challenge. So in this lesson, I'll be taking you through the steps you need to pass through so that you can get all those deleted WhatsApp messages. So let's quickly go to Play Store. Let's go to Play Store and search for this particular app and download it. Alright, so when we come to Play Store, let's search for the name of the app. So this is the name of the app, WMR. Then you click on the search icon at the down here. Then let's locate the app. This is the app, the fourth one. This is the fourth app. This is the correct one that you'll be using for this particular lesson. Because I already have it on my phone, that is why it will appear this way. They ask me to either uninstall or install this app. Okay, so please, before we continue, make sure that you don't skip any part of this video. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification button for all. Somebody may ask, please, why am I supposed to turn on the notification button for all? The answer is, if you turn on the notification button for all, any video that we upload on this YouTube channel, you'll be able to have access to them. When you turn on the notification button for all, whenever we upload any educative video, YouTube will send you notification so that you can also go or come to the channel and watch that video and benefit from it. So please, turn on the notification button for all, comment on this channel, drop your comment, let us know the next thing that you need, let us know your challenges. Don't also forget to like this video and share with your friends and family members. If you want more video, check the description of this video and you will get more educative videos on this channel. Alright, so this is the app. This is the interface of the app. All these things are here for you, so you can have time and go through them. Alright, let's go and click on open because I have already downloaded it. So let me click on open. So when you click on open, the app is going to load. This particular app is going to load. So as you can see from the down here, it is loading. When it gets to 100%, then it will open. Good. So let's click on start. Click on start. Please listen to all the procedures very well. Okay, so when you click on start, this is what you see. Select language. We have different languages. This app is available in some number of countries. Okay, so let's click on English language. When you click on the English language, you come and click on apply. Click on apply. Then you see this menu popping up. These ones, they are all for you, so you have time and go through them. All right, let me click on this arrow and let's continue. Okay, so you have to allow the app to have access to your media and also to have access to your notification. You need to allow the notification access. So let's read what is here. Allow the app to read and store information from notification. Okay, so I have already allowed this one. So let's allow this one, the notification access, and continue. So when you click on that, it will bring you to your notification access. So let's search for the app name here. Is here. Is the fourth application here, WMR. So click on it and let's allow it. So allow notification access, activate it. So you come to the down here, allow. Good. Now let's go back to the app and continue our lesson. So as you can see, it has been allowed. So let's click on this one and continue. Let's click on the right button here. Good. So this is the interface of the app. So if you want to restore deleted WhatsApp messages, this is the message icon here. So let's click on it and see if we will get any message. So this is a demonstration at the top here. Now let's come to media. So whenever someone deletes something from you, whether photo, video, audio, music, or whatever, from WhatsApp, this is where you can get them using this particular app. All right, let's quickly look at another one here. So please, have you seen those adverts popping up? They are popping up because I'm using the free version of the app. So if you want to locate to restore images, you click on this one. If you want to restore videos, you click on this. Then if a friend deletes a video from you, or if a video has been deleted from a group chat, you can locate it here. When it is audio that you want to restore, you look at them here, you check them out here. Video, you get whatever someone has deleted from you, you get them in the app here. Let's go to the final one here, which is the status saver. So at times you need to watch the status on WhatsApp first before we can show it here to you. So you need to watch the status on WhatsApp so that when it is deleted from you, you can come to this particular app and have access to it. So let's click on OK because we don't want to go to WhatsApp now. Let's click on OK. Good. So these are the adverts again because I'm using the free version. So let me click on this one to hide it. Good. Let's come to the top here. Click on it. You see more settings there. This one, if you are using the normal WhatsApp, you activate this one. If you are using business WhatsApp, you activate this one. And we have a lot of things there. If you want to remove the advert, then it means you need to upgrade to the premium version. So let's just manage this one. We don't want to buy the premium version. We don't have money to purchase the premium version. Okay, so there is no available document or video or image for us to be restored. Let's come to the saved section. There is nothing here. So please, if you like this video, if you really enjoy it, then kindly subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification button for all. If you think this video has changed something in your life, if you think the video has added a value to your life, then kindly subscribe to our channel, like this channel, comment on this channel, share this video with your friends and family members. If you want to watch more of our educative videos on this channel, then kindly check the description of this particular video and you have access to more of our interesting videos. Thank you very much. Let's meet in the next tutorials. Bye bye.